A Dallas shopper faces child endangerment and assault charges after his concealed handgun accidentally went off in a Walmart, injuring a mother and her 5-year-old. Fox 4's Lynn Kawano is here. Okay, Lynn, what was that man doing?
Well, the man was in the checkout line, Clarice, and he reached for his wallet. And when he did that, he accidentally pulled the trigger of his gun. He shot himself, but was still able to run away.
I was standing behind a guy, there was a shot, a bang, I got hit by a shell casing.
Don't let the smile fool you. Cassie Shinto is angry that she was struck by a shell casing while at the checkout line at the Walmart at Forrest and Abrams in Dallas Monday night. And what takes the smile right off of her face? When she's asked about her 5-year-old daughter, who was hit by debris from the stray bullet.
It's just disturbing. I mean, my daughter could have gotten killed, so yeah, that's scary.
Todd Kennedy also shot himself in the rear, but police say he was able to run after accidentally firing the .40 caliber pistol while he was reaching for his wallet. Police caught him a short time later. He does have a concealed handgun license and likely wouldn't have faced such serious charges had he remained at the scene. He is in the Dallas County Jail for evading arrest, but injury to a child and assault charges are expected to be added.
She's okay. She got hit with debris from the floor.
Dallas police detectives visited with Shinto and her daughter today. Both are expected to be fine, but Shinto wants police to press on because she says Kennedy was careless with so many people around.
Another child was struck in the Walmart also by flying debris. That boy was not seriously hurt, and his family does not want to press charges. Clarice?
Okay, the guy with the gun had a CHL. What about a holster? Where was that weapon?
Yeah, he did have a holster on his waistband, is what we're told, but we're told that the safety was not on, so when he reached for his wallet, he somehow pulled the trigger. Just bizarre, yeah.
Yeah, so thankful nobody was seriously
absolutely
hurt or killed. Thank you, Lynn.